Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video we will see how can we call the login API from Angular. We will also create an admin account in our Spring Boot application. So let's get started. Let's go to our auth service and here I'm going to create a new method. So the method name is a login and in the argument it will receive a login request. That is the type of any. And here I'm going to add observable. And it will return this dot http.post. And here we need to pass the URL of our backend application. So first we need to put the basic URL and after that we need to add that is /API/auth/log. And after that we need to pass here login request object. So let's go to our login component.ts and here in this method I'm going to call our method from our auth service. So we need to inject our auth service first in the constructor. So it will be a auth service and the auth service over here. This dot auth service dot login and here we need to pass this dot login form dot value. Let's subscribe this, save the response into this variable that is a res. I have added here console.log to print the result into our console. Let's go to our UI and let me enter the credentials. And you can see we are getting the token from the backend. And you can see the remaining details, user ID and the user role. So let's log in another user. Let me clear the console and add here the another email like test@test.com and the test over here. Let's click on this login button and you can see the JWT for the test and the user ID and the user role over here. Okay, now the login API is working fine. So we need to create an admin account in our auth service impl. So let's go to our auth package and here I'm going to create a method public void create admin account. Here I'm going to create an object that is a admin account from the user. So this will save the response of this method that is a user repository dot find by user role and here we need to pass user role dot admin. So let me create this method into our user repository and it will return a user. So after that we need to add here the condition where we need to check that is a admin account is equals to null. Then we need to create an admin account, otherwise not. So here I'm going to create an object that is a new admin account is equals to new user. So after that we need to set name that is a admin new admin account dot set email, that is a admin at the rate test.com, new admin account dot set password, and we need to save the password into the hash form. So here I'm going to use encrypt password encoder dot encode, and here we need to pass a password that is admin, and after that we need to set the user role, and it will be a user role dot admin. So after that we need to save changes. So here in the user repository save, and here we need to pass new admin account object, and here I'm going to add system dot out dot println, and here's a message like admin account created successfully. It's just for the verification, like admin account is created. All right, so our method is created in our admin service Apple. So we need to invoke this method automatically when the application is run. So here I'm going to add a post construct. So this annotation will allow us to invoke a method when the application is starting. So let's run the application. And you can see there is no admin in our user table. And you can see it insert into the user email name, password, and the values. And you can see the message that is a admin account created successfully. So let me refresh the table, and you can see ID4 have an admin account, and here I'm going to log in the admin, and you can see the token for the admin is generated successfully. You can see here the token, user ID 4, and the user role that is the admin. So let me stop the application and run again. And you can see application is started, but it's not created an admin account again because account is already exist with the email that is admin@test.com. So that's all for now from my side. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. I will attach the playlist link in the description. You can check it out, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.